cool kids are going away.
Hey, I'm Jessica, and in this video I'm sharing our Disney World recap. It was our first time going to Disney World with our two toddlers ages 4 years and 21 months, and I was 27 weeks pregnant. First, I'm going to share our recap video with you. Hopefully it gets you excited about your upcoming trip. And then I wrote out all the things that we learned and we'll do next time, so you can just screenshot it and have it when you need it. I'll also include all of the Disney Amazon links of products we loved in our packing list. I'll list everything in the description box below for you to have as reference as well. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I hope you find this video helpful as you plan for your Disney World trip.
We're an open flame, oh, eh, oh. We will not be tamed, oh, eh, oh. And we are fools breaking records, singing, oh, eh, oh. We make the rules, chasing echoes, singing, oh, eh, oh. Open the car and jump on the train. Got one life to live and love goes on. Ready to go and ready to move. We got no regrets, we live it like a fool. I know that they're probably right, and maybe I'm wasting my life. We live in the moment, we light up the night. We roll till the morning, oh, eh, oh. We bump up the low end, we own paradise. The cool kids are going, oh, eh, oh. The cool kids are going, oh, eh, oh. The cool kids are going, oh, eh, oh. We're about to blast away, oh. A little dangerous, oh, eh, oh. And we are fools breaking records, singing, oh, eh, oh. We make the rules, chasing echoes, singing, oh, eh, oh. Open the car and jump on the train. Got one life to live and love on the brain. We're ready to go and ready to move.
It's a scary ride.
Cowabunga. Maybe I'm wasting my life.
Want to go up? Yeah. You pull it.
We live in the moment, we light up the night. We roll till the morning, oh, oh, oh.
I can even go higher.
We own paradise.
How was it? Tell me all about it. Really?
Yeah. Very short.
Was it fun?
The cool kids are going, oh, eh, oh. The cool kids are going, oh, eh, oh. We got that new thing, baby. Caught up in daydreams lately. We got that new thing, baby, and we have the time of our lives. We got that new thing, baby, got that new thing. Caught up in daydreams lately with you. We got that new thing, baby, got that new thing. We have the time of our lives. We have the time of our lives. Oh, eh, oh, eh, oh. We live in the moment, we light up the night. We roll till the morning, oh, eh, oh, oh. We bump up the low end, we own paradise. The cool kids are going, oh, oh. Thing, baby, got that new thing. Caught up in daydreams, cool kids are going, oh, oh. We got that new thing, baby, got that new thing. We have the time of our lives. The cool kids are going, oh, oh.
What was your favorite part of today?
What are the spooky fries?
The spooky ride was your favorite? What was your favorite part, Brielle? What was your favorite part, Daddy?
Daddy likes Space Mountain.
I like seeing all the magic in the girls' eyes. Such a fun day!
How's your balloons, girls?
Bye, Disney World! But I just wanted to show you the clothes, and then some other stuff that we are bringing to our trip to Disney. If you are new here, we have 2 toddlers. I have a 4-year-old girl and then an almost 2-year-old. And then I'm expecting our 3rd baby the very beginning of June. It's June 2nd, so I just say end of May because it just sounds better. So I'm about 20. Some other things that I got that I'll include in the video as well. Disney things, the girls just got into this one actually. So they're so expensive at Disney, so I thought I'd just bring a few little things for them to open up every morning. We got little minis from Walmart. And then rain poncho. It should be pretty sunny, actually like 90 when we are there, and then it goes down to like 70. So we probably won't need these, but just in case. We also have an stroller cover thing in case it rains. And then I have this because I don't want to carry around a backpack. So I'll keep our important stuff and my phone in this case. More ponchos for adults. That one's for kids. A fan because it's going to be so hot. So I might need to get another one because I'll probably just use this one for myself. And I have some of these silicone straws at Disney World. They don't have like plastic or silicone straws. They just have paper. So I don't prefer paper. My girls just chew on it and then it like is gross. So definitely bringing these.